Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tamim bilhi. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum. This is the updated 7th edition of book D3, and today we will do exercise 15A, and we do question number 4, 5 and 6. Let's start, students. Number 4. If use this A, this B and C, find. I write A and B part together. And part number A, we have to find the A union B union with C. We have to find this. In part number D, we have to draw a Venn diagram for each of the above. We have to draw the Venn diagram of these findings, but we have to also draw in the Venn diagram. Let's start, students. First, we have to find the B union C. This is B and this is C, and B union C. B is 2 and 4, and C is 5. And B union C, we get 2, 4, and 5. Now, students, A union B union C. Now, A is 1 and 3, and B union C, we find it that is 2, 4, and 5. 2, 4, and 5. Now we have to combine it. A union B union C, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have to draw it on the Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, and this one is C. And first we have to find the B union C. We have to mark it with horizontal line or any uh, or vertical line, anyone. I am drawing the vertical lines. This is the A union B. Now first we have to write the sets numbering in it. 1 and 3, and B has 2 and 4, and C has 5. If anyone has common, we have to write in that place. If both sets has A and B 2, then we have to write 2 in this common place. This is the B union and C. Now, in the next step, we have to represent the A union B union C, and we have to represent it by the vertical lines. Now, students, in the next step, we have to represent the A union B union C. We have to represent it by the horizontal line. A union B union C. And the all the lines are comes, the lines, blue lines are all the three sets, and that's why our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to write the union of this. And now, students, that is the representation of the on the Venn diagram. Now, students, part number B. Now, students, part number B. A union B is 1 and 3, and B is 2 and 4. And this one is A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, A union B intersection C. A union B 1, 2, 3, 4. An intersection mean to take common, and in both of these sets there is nothing common. It means we get empty set, this one or this one. Both are equal to empty set. Both are the symbols of the empty set. Now this is a set A, B, and C. We have to represent the A union B with vertical lines. Now in the set A is 1 and 3, set B is 2 and 4, and set C is 5. We also write the values of the sets. Now students, we have to draw the A union B intersection C, and intersection mean common, which is the common in three sets, and this is the part. And this is the part which is in common in three, and this is empty set, you can see, and that's why we write there empty set. In the answer there is the empty set. Now students, the part number 2 is solved. Now students, A intersection B, this is A intersection B. A is 1 and 3, and B is 2 and 4, and in it is common is A intersection B is nothing, this is empty set. Now we have to take the union of with the C, so we can write A intersection B union C, empty set union 5. Union of empty set with 5, we get the 5. And now we have to represent this on the Venn diagram. This is A, B, and C. A is 1 and 3, B is 2 and 4, and C is 5. And now we have to draw the lines, intersection A intersection B. This is the A intersection B. Now we have to draw it with the vertical lines. These are the vertical line. This is the A intersection B. And with C, we have to represent it by the horizontal lines, and there come the 5, and we can see that this is the answer, and this is the 5 in is the answer in part number C. Now students, the part number 3 is solved. Part number 4, A intersection B with intersection C, A intersection B, and A is 1 and 3, intersection B is 2 and 4, and its common is empty set A intersection B. When we take its intersection with C, it is 5, and we get the empty set again. And now students, this is A, B, and C. A is 1 and 3, B is 2 and 4, and C is 5. Now we have to draw, first we have to draw the A intersection B, which is a common part in it. In common part is, we have to represent it by the ho- v- v- vertical lines, and these lines are, this is the common part in A and B, and you know that that is the empty set, we get nothing in it. And next, now we have to do the next part. This is the A intersection B with intersection C. For A intersection B and intersection C, we have to draw the horizontal lines, and this is the A intersection B. This is the common part of the A and B, and this is the also the common part with C. So we draw the horizontal line only in this part, and this is the common part in 3, and this is the empty, and our answer is empty set. Now students, part number 5, B intersection C, and B is 2 and 4, and C is 5. We get empty set, B intersection C, and now A union B intersection C. A is 1 and 3, and union with empty set, and we get the answer 1 and 3. And now this is A, B, and C. A intersection C, B intersection C. This is the common part in both sets. This is the common part in both sets in the Venn diagram in between B and C. So we draw the vertical or horizontal line in it. I'm drawing the horizontal lines, and this is the common part in B and C. And we have also write the 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4 and 5. Now we have to take the union of A union B and B intersection C. This is B intersection C. Now we have to take the union. We are combining the values with it. And now students, we can observe 1 and 3 is the answer and it's come in its part. This is 1 and 3. Now students, the fifth part is solved. Now students, part number 6, this is A, B, and C. Now students, part number 6, first we have to find the B union C. B is 2 and 4 and C is 5. Now we have to take the union of it. We get 2, 4 and 5. Now we take the intersection of B union C, and it is 1 and 3, and intersection 2, 4 and 5. We get the empty set. Now students, first 1 and 3, 2 and 4 and 5. Now we have to first draw the B union C. Now students, first we have to represent the B union C, and this is the B and C. Now we have to draw the vertical lines on it. B union C. This is students B union C. Now we have to find the A intersection B union C. To take the A intersection B union C, this is A union B. We have to take what is the common. This is the common of A intersection B. This is also come in the A intersection B. B union C, and we have to take the, and this is the common in both A union B, and yes, this is also the common in, because this is the union of A union and B, and we have to take the intersection of common part of A union B, and this part is come in it, which I represent with the horizontal lines, and this is the empty set. The part number 6 is solved. Now students, part number C, we have to prove A complement union B complement, A intersection B over complement. This is our left hand side. First we have to find it, and we have to find the A complement, which is U minus A. Value of U is the set of U's contain. U contain 1 to 5 and A is 1 and 3. And so we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is 1 and 3. Now in the A complement, these elements which are not in A but present in U, and these are 2, 4 and 5. This is the A complement. Now we have to find the B complement, which is U minus B. U is 1 to 5 and B is 2 and 4. Now we write the elements which are present in U but not in B. So these elements are 1, 3, 5 and A complement union B complement, and this is the equal to A complement is 2 4 5 and B complement is 1 3 5. Now we A complement, and we, by getting the union of it, we get 2 1 2 3 4. We get the 1 2 3 4 and 5. We get it. Now students, we have to do the right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B complement. Now we have to first take the intersection of A and B. A intersection B. A is 1 and 3 and B is 2 and 4. Now intersection, a complement of it, A intersection B complement U minus A intersection B. U is 1 to 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, an empty set. We have to write all the values because not any values present in this set. It is empty set and we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. We can see the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This is equal to right hand side and left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. And now students, the part number A is one is solved of now students, this part is solved. Now students, in part number 2 we have to find the A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement, and this is our left hand side. We already find the complement in the part number 1, that's why I am not finding it there again, and I am writing direct values. A complement is 2 4 and 5 and B complement is 1 3 and 5. By taking the common we get the 5, and this is the left hand side. Now students, right hand side. Right hand side is A union B complement. A union B. A union B is A is 2 and 1 and 3 and B is 2 and 4. By getting the union we get the 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and now A union B complement, which is subtraction sign A union B. And now we have to write the values. The union set is 1 2 3 4 5 and A union B is 1 2 3 4. And now we have to write the values which are present in U but not in this set, and this is the only 5, and our left hand side also equal to 5, and it is equal to left hand side, and hence proved both sides are equal. And now students, the question number 4 is solved. Now students, question number 5, find B when A union B and A intersection B is given to us, and we find the value of B. It's very easy that we find the value of B because all things are given to us. This is A. We know that the A intersection B, in A intersection B set there is the only those values which are common in both A and B. And so we find the B very easily. First we have to mention which are the values in and this is the A union B. It means these are the values of both the set A and B union. Now, in this A union B, first we have to mention the value of A. This is A. This is present in set A, and it means this is belongs to set A, and 4 is also this is belongs to set A. 6 is also, and 6 is also in B set because it is the common both in A and B. And now these are the four values of A set, and which are left. It means these are present in B set, and common we also know that these are present in B also. So we can write here very simply 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are the values which are present in B set, because all the things, these are situations are given to us, and we can easily find the values. Now so let's see part number 2. Intersection B and A union B is given to us. In A union B we have to mention the values of A. This is 3 and 4, and all the left values are present in set B, and also the common values we have to write. So in set B, this is the A union B. You can also take the union of A union B. You can find, you can get this value. Now when you take the union of A union B, we can get the 1 2 3 4, this one. And when A intersection B, only the one common value is 3, and we get the answer 3. And now students, the question number 5 is solved. Now students, question number 6 we have to solve it in the book, and this is the filling the blanks by equal to or not equal to make this statement true. A union B is equal to B union A. What are the values of in A union B? These are the values also of the B union A, and it means this is equal to A union empty set is equal to A. Yes, it is equal to A. Because we have to combine all these elements and there is nothing, and it means the set A comes. Empty set union A gets empty set not, we get the A set, and that's why it is not equal. A union A is equal to A, yes, because the values are not repeated, that's why A union A is equal to A. If A union B is B, and if A intersection B is B, then A is equal to B. Yes, because A union B, both sets are equal, and that's why the same values come. B, B, and when we take the common, we get the B, and it means A is equal to B. And now students, the question number 6 is solved. I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.